to test your pH correctly before fasting. When you start a cleansing process, you want to accurately establish your pH to see if you might have an electrolyte deficiency, which could inhibit the cleansing process and initiate unnecessary or even harmful cleansing reactions. Measuring your pH is not as easy as sticking a pH paper in your morning urine. Yes, it will give you a result, but it will not be accurate, as your pH level changes all day long. If you do not pass a pH test, you can still do a very mild cleanse. However, it is essential that you have a full alkaline electrolyte reserve before doing a fast. Now, you will need pH papers, like these pH papers from pH Iron. You will need a pen, some paper, and 1 lemon. Now, the test must be done at least 2 hours after meals. So the first test we are doing is a urine test. To complete this test, you will need to devote a day to eating only vegetables and vegetable juices. So that means 100% alkaline forming foods. You won't have any grains, dairy, meat, coffee, or fruit. And please do not exercise strenuously. Now, the next morning, you wet the pH paper in a midstream of urine, and then you record your result. If you have 7 or above, you passed. This means that your body has so much extra electrolyte reserves that it is eliminating the excess through the urine. The second test we are doing is a saliva test. Now, thoroughly wet the end of a small strip of pH paper with your saliva and compare its color to the nearest color on your pH paper dispenser. Now, the color chart may not always match the readings exactly. Just use your best judgment. Record your results, and if it's between 6.4 and 6.8, you passed. The third test, we do a lemon test. Now, this can be done immediately after the saliva test. You squeeze the juice of half a lemon, 30 ml about, and you put it in 60 ml of water. You drink this without sweetener. When you have it in your mouth, you swish it around just once before you swallow it. Then you wait 60 seconds and begin a series of 6 saliva readings with the pH strips. You record each reading. Now, at least one of the last 3 readings that you do must show a passing result to pass this part of the test. And in this case, 8 or higher means you passed. This indicates that the liver has stored adequate electrolytes to buffer the acids in your mouth. If you did not pass a test, you need to stop eating acid food and eat mostly vegetables, particularly those that are high in organic electrolytes like sodium, potassium, calcium, and also magnesium. You want to drink plenty of fresh organic juices and use natural electrolyte supplements if you have to. Do only very mild cleansing until you pass all 3 parts of the test. You can begin fasting once you have built up your alkaline reserves and pass the entire pH test, the whole series of all 3. Now, after you begin cleansing, the body will be removing stored acids. And the deeper the cleansing, the more acid the urine becomes. Now, this means checking your urine pH during these phases will not indicate your true electrolyte status. And therefore, only the pre-fasting tests will give you accurate pH readings. Enjoy your fast. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button to our channel underneath this video. And whatever you do, have a fabulous day and stay healthy.